she wanted to explore? Anybody's come by the house?
Not since I've been there. I think she did for a short while. Anyway, you're on camera, so
Okay.
I'm recording you.
Let me walk on again, yeah?
Okay. You ready?
Sorry.
3, 2, 1. Make it happen.
Some people think the world is very crowded, you know, and actually I hear someone saying, the world is so crowded, is there space for me? In all this hustle and bustle, is there space for me? My answer to your question is yes, there is space for you. There's a space for you, there's a place for you, and there's a race for you. But you have to discover it, you have to own it, you have to run it so you can win it. When you discover your race, you will see that you have the grace to run and finish first place. In the midst of all the noise in this world, you have a unique voice. It may look like many people are doing the thing that you want to do or you would like to do. And you're thinking, how do I get through? Is there space for me? Can I really be all what God created me to be? Yes, you can. Yes, there is a unique place for you and nobody can take it. But you have to discover it. You have to own it. You have to discover yourself and you have to commit. It looks like everyone is selling something. There's so many options on the shelf. But the truth is you will stand out from others if you just be yourself. There's a unique hole in this world that only you can fill. There's a unique charge and only you can pay the bill. You like that? Copying others increases your competition. You don't have to. You have a unique contribution. Let me tell you that again because you didn't hear that part. Copying others increases your competition. You don't have to. You have a unique contribution. In this crowded world, it can be difficult to isolate, but once you discover your purpose, you naturally separate. They say it's dog eat dog, it's a rat race, but you're not one of them. You've got a special grace. You're comparing and competing with others because you haven't discovered you. You have a unique path, which you don't need to struggle through. No one needs to step down for you to go up. You don't need to step on heads on your way to the top. In this journey of life, listen, some people won't like you. Why? No reason. They just want to be an enemy. But my point is, you don't have to make them your enemy simply because they're on your road to your destiny. On your journey to destiny, you do not have time to waste energy on enemies. Stay in your lane from the start to the end. Stay focused. Don't take any bends. There are many trends, but you don't have to blend. It's a good idea, but you don't have to follow your friends. You will be tempted to do what is popular, but I encourage you, do not divert from the spiritual and go to the secular. Don't be moved. Stand on God's truth. By working in your field, you will yield your best fruit. Don't be moved by people. Here today, tomorrow gone. At the end of your race, the only voice that really counts is God saying, well done. It's true. The world is crowded. But this is the fact. In the midst of the crowd, in the midst of the noise, you have a unique place and a unique voice.
Okay, relax.
Bless the lives.